that bell? I rang it very lightly. Can you please join me at board 3 for just a moment? If you can't see, scooch up front there. There we go. All right, so one thing we've been working very hard on is less of Miss Randall saying, here's what they did, 1, 2, 3, and more of you analyzing somebody else's work and talking about what strategies you see they use, and do you agree, disagree, and compare it to your own. So I'm going to wait for a few hands after you've had a minute to analyze somebody else's work. Okay, Xavier, go ahead.
They did the same sorting thing where they multiplied 5 and 1/2 by 3 and 1/2 as a mixed number, which my group did as well, and sorted it into parentheses like that.
Okay. Maddie, add on.
I see, well, they, instead of just doing 5 times 3 and 1 times 1/2, they make sure they have like 4 separate equations, and then they added them all together.
Yeah, okay, I noticed that. Are there any other groups that also had 19 and 25 hundredths as a representation? Okay, all right. Yeah, I appreciate that it's very clear and easy to read their work. They've represented each piece of the problem in order for me to come up and understand what they're doing. It makes sense to me because they did that. I also noticed that this group answered the first question clearly and included an appropriate unit. Did you notice that as well?
Yeah.
Think about what your board looks like right now and your official answer to problem 1. And think about, is that something you're going to go revise, or are you pleased with it?
Lynn needs more than 9 ounces of butter to make cookies for her party. How many ounces of butter would be enough for the cookies?
10.
Yeah.
It says 9 is more.
10 ounces, so
She needs more than 9.
in blue, going to be from 9 to 14, maybe. Definitely not that.
Yeah.
What is that? Okay, so. And then this one would have to be here.
Yeah. Well, just check it. Just check it.
Yeah, because it goes to 8. 0 to 8.
Yeah. Yeah.
A
Okay.
fishing boat can hold fewer than 9 people. How many people can hold? Okay.
Yeah.
Now we just got to get our. What is that? Okay.
Oh, I'm so tired.
Any value higher than 9, including non-whole numbers. I think that one's for the ounces, because you can't have non-whole people.
Yeah.
And you could, but
Anyways, come over here so you can see better.
wait. I think I think this one should be here
Tell me why you think it would be there instead of,
because you can't have non-whole people.
okay?
So I think that would be.
Do you agree with that? Or,
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then any value from 0 to wait.
Tell me why this one fits. This. Can you read that to me and tell me why it fits?
Lynn needs more than 9 ounces of butter to make cookies for her
You got
party.
it? Okay. I'll be right there.
Okay. And how many ounces of butter would be enough for the cookies?
Cruz,
Yeah.
will you guys pick one column that you think you have all correct and bring them over here and compare with their column and their grade to have a conversation.